Hey guys, got myself a new car. What better thing to do but to cut it up. Hey guys, before we get into this video, I want to address one thing real quick. I'm going to be putting the K-bar project on hold and also the heat treat oven project on hold. I'm doing this because with the weather getting nice, I don't want to be stuck down in my basement shop working when the weather's nice. Also, with this new project, I'll be working in my garage. I need to work in my garage, and my garage is not heated, so I can't do this project in the wintertime when it's cold. So, nice weather equals garage projects. Bad weather equals downstairs basement projects. So, we will be putting those on hold until further notice. I'll probably tinker with them here and there. Sorry for, any that have been following that project, but just be sure to stay tuned, and let's jump into this video. Alrighty, so what we have is a 2011 Ford Crown Victoria LX. It's not a police interceptor. It's got cop wheels, but it's not the Interceptor. It's got 150,000 miles on it. And like I said, we're going to be cutting this thing into pieces. So what will we be using off of this car? Well, we're going to be using pretty much everything but the body. That even includes the floor pan. So what we're going to do, we're going to strip the body off of it, leaving the firewall and leaving the floorboards from just behind the front seat, so right in here. So everything from here back, floorboard wise, is gone. Keep the floor, keep the firewall, and cut everything else off, and then it's all going to be going under the truck. We will have to extend the wheelbase just over 14 inches, which means longer drive shaft, but that way the truck will have all new running gear, and then the car will be back on air ride, and the truck will actually be lower after this swap than it currently is. So all there's left to do is everything, and that first starts with tearing this car down. Let's get to it. One fender off. It is hot. Do you find it kind of funny? This is the newest car I own, and the car with the least amount of miles, and it's the one I'm cutting up. Alright, the other thing I need to do is label all these connectors, because I'm actually going to be using this wiring harness too. Crown Vic for right now. We got the front clip completely off of it. Got the wiring harness pulled back. Battery's kind of temporarily mounted over there. And next we're gonna move on back, get these doors off. Maybe leave the front door. Definitely get the back doors off, get this roof cut off, and just start chopping this thing up the rest of the way. Hey, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe because there's gonna be a lot going on with this car and the updates on the Hulk. So you guys are gonna wanna follow along with this project and leave a comment below with what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.